Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today we are doing a paper craft assembly video. If you want to know how to use paper or how to cut paper, I have a video on cutting paper with your Cricut, and that will help you get to the step of today. Today we are assembling our princess banner. Every single pennant in this video is going to be assembled for you guys so that you can create it and walk through this video step by step if you need it. Now, if you're just getting stuck on a part, you can come back to this video anytime. This is 14 princesses. Now, you can create this banner. If you want to make a princess themed banner, maybe you're doing a birthday party or you're making a room decor. If you're like, dude, Tay, I am just here for one princess. I do not want to watch all 14 princesses. There's a timestamp in the description. I'll also try to put it in the first comment of this video so that you can skip ahead to the princess that you need today, or you can just click them and it'll take you right to the princess you need. As a member of Auntie Tay, you get discounts to all of my partners, and I am partnering with my faves in every single category. If you have ever shopped Cardstock Warehouse, you as an Auntie Tay member would get 20% off your entire purchase. Your coupon code works across the board for all of our members as well as my own store. We are growing in partnerships, we're growing in files. They carry solid core cardstock, which in the cardstock community, that is very important to be able to have a fully colored piece of paper so that when you cut it, you don't see any white on your edges. But they also have the warehousest prices on the internet, and they actually took a second to become partners because they weren't sure if they could even discount it the whole 20% and still make a profit. So if you're not a member, I would highly suggest trying them out just to support them as supporters of the Auntie Tay community. But also, if you are a member, shop them often, show them some love on Instagram, follow them for some inspiration on paper crafting. We're definitely gonna be doing some really amazing paper crafts with their partnerships. So thank you, Cardstock Warehouse. Thank you for watching this video. Let's assemble some princess banners. Let's go!